Good afternoon, folks. Here's Jeff from Jared's Car Reviews. If you are new to my channel, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you have your notifications turned on so that you'll know when I upload a new video. Also, I am at Highly Mazda of Fort Worth. So if you are interested in buying this car at this dealership, please contact them. I'll leave the link and the telephone number down in the description down below. And also ask for Robert if you're interested in buying this car. So today, we're going to be taking an in-depth look at this 2020 Mazda MX-5 Miata convertible. This is going to be a full tour of the MX-5 Miata convertible. I'm going to start up. I'm also going to show you the engine. I'm also going to show you guys the inside as well as the outside of the car. So here's the key. It's going to climb on in and get started. You got your lock, unlock, your trunk release, and your panic. It's a black exterior. It has smart key access on the driver's door and the front passenger door. And it has red leather interior. Manual driver seat adjustments. Push button start as well. All you have to do is make sure the clutch is pushed in all the way. Make sure it's neutral. And when the light turns green, hit the button to start the engine. Very nice. Three-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel. It's got a little bit of tightness to it. You also have sport grips in 10 and 2. It is a 6-speed manual transmission. And there's reverse. You also have a backup camera with guidance lines. Alright, let's go ahead and call on the lights. And we'll turn on the hazards. Close the door really quick. And I'll go ahead and let down the convertible top. But it is manual, so what you do is release this latch right here. And then you just push all the way back. Alright, let's go check out the exterior. That beeping is just to tell you that the key has left the vehicle. You have HID headlights with the LED daytime running lights. exhaust. All right, let's go pop the hood. Coming up to the hood, you have Mazda's 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. It is powered by Skytech technology. Battery. Let's wash the fluid. Power windows, power door locks, window lock, power mirrors. You also have your door handle over there. Alright, let's go give it a couple of revs. Very nice. I'll go ahead and get the exhaust real quick. Not bad. Go put the top back up. There we go. Put down both the windows, or put up both the windows. All right, got your climate controls. Your fan speed. Your temperature. AC. In different modes. Your push for rear defrost, and you have front defrost. You have 3-stage heated seats for the driver and passenger. 2 USB outlets, and you have a place to hold your SD card and auxiliary input. You have storage right there. You have a little bit of storage. And this is a pass through to the trunk, or no, I don't know what that is, but you have 2 cup holders right there. Or no, that's actually a storage compartment. My bad. Alright, let's go check out the radio.
When the band of the band, we're making it happen. I like a bougie, but keep me in ratchet. That is fantastic.
Not bad. You have your audio sources, your auto memory, your favorites, HD radio channels, your scan, your tune, previous stations, your sound settings. And here's the home screen. So you have applications, entertainment, communication, navigation, settings. There's applications, entertainment, which is your radio, communication. There's no phone connected right now. Navigation, you need an SD card for that. And your different settings. Display, safety, sound, clock, vehicle, devices, system, and I got all there. It's also touchscreen too. Not bad. Got your cruise control, radio controls, voice command, help.
At any time, voice guidance can be skipped by pressing the talk button or canceled by pressing the hang up button. Available commands are entertainment, auto memory, favorites, HD menu, scan, tune, iTunes tagging, seek previous, seek next, and sound settings.
Tune to 100.7 FM. Got your driver info system right there. And right there, you got your tachometer, your speedometer, and your digital fuel gauge right there. Turn signals. Wipers. Got your interior light. Automatic dim rearview mirror. And you have your touch control off and your lane keep assist. And down there is your trunk button. Alright, so I guess that's pretty much it for the inside. Put the window down. Now pop the trunk. We have decent amount of trunk space. Got your light. for this one is $33,030, and the base price is $31,670. Here are all the options that it has. Power window, power door locks, manual driver seat adjustments or passenger seat adjustments. There's no glove box. Alright, not a bad car at all. I'm gonna shut everything down. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the tour on the 2020 Mazda MX-5 Miata convertible. If you're interested in buying this car at Highly Mazda, please give them a call. I'll leave the link and the telephone number down in the description down below. Thanks for watching.